Technology allows the meteorologists here to keep planes away from dangerous weather. But in aviation, some of the most dangerous weather is all but invisible. August the 2nd, 1985.
10-degree flaps, please.
Delta Airlines Flight 191 is approaching Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport.
For takeoff, contact departure.
At the foot of the runway, one of the most ferocious types of storm clouds stands in their way.
Before landing check.
Landing gear.
Down, 3 green.
At the time, the type of storm the Delta crew is approaching barely has a name. John McCarthy is one of the world's leading experts on these storms.
It is a tiny thing, meteorologically speaking, compared to a big storm or a snowstorm or a hurricane. It's just like a needle in a haystack.
The needle is a microburst, one of the deadliest and at the time most poorly understood weather phenomena. They've taken down airliners before. But as Delta 191 makes its approach, there are no warning systems that can effectively alert the pilots of the danger they're in.
Prior to 1985, the radars on board the aircraft were built to detect thunderstorms, essentially heavy areas of precipitation. They were not effective. They weren't even designed to detect the microburst.
When a plane hits a microburst, it encounters a complex and powerful set of conditions. Downdrafts and tailwinds batter a plane. It's a deadly combination.
At its maximum strength, it's no more than 2 miles across, and it lasts no more than 15 minutes.
After the crash of Delta 191, the Federal Aviation Administration races to develop technology that can prevent microbursts from killing again. One of the most important lessons, that the technology in use at the time simply wasn't good enough.
What we found out is that Doppler radar, which is on the ground, is incredibly effective in detecting microbursts.
Unlike weather radar in use at the time of the crash of Delta 191, Doppler radar can also detect the direction of winds inside a storm. When the Doppler radar system at an airport detects a microburst, it sends an alert to air traffic controllers. The controllers relay the warning to pilots on approach.
Flight 236, microburst alert.
50 knot loss. 1 mile final. Say intentions.
After the crash of Delta 191, terminal Doppler weather radar was installed in airports across the United States. Dallas-Fort Worth was one of the first to apply the system.